Hello everyone. So in this particular video I will be solving 5 questions starting from question number 71 to question number 75. So let us start with the question number 71. The transfer function C is by Rs in the block diagram shown below is. So we have to find C is by Rs. So you must be knowing that there is one formula called Mason's gain formula, summation pk delta k by delta Cs by Rs. This is actually the transfer function we are looking for. So pk is the kth forward path and delta k is related to the corresponding that kth forward path divided by delta. So we can see that there are total 3 forward paths. You can see starting from Rs we can go through G1 and G2. So G1 G2 is the first one. And what is delta k? Delta k is 1 minus loops that are not touching to the kth forward path. First of all, you can see there is no loop, right? There is no loop. These are again forward path. So you can see there is no loop. So 1 minus 0 plus the second forward path. See, we can start from here and go like this. So what is the path gain? It is only G2. And again it will be 1 minus 0 because there is no loop. And another path you can see we can go like this. So what is the gain? It is 1 divided by delta. Delta is 1 minus individual loop gains, so it is 0. So ultimately what we have, G1 G2 plus G2 plus 1, it will be option C. Question number 72. If the characteristic equation of a closed loop system is s square plus 2s plus 2, then the system is. So characteristic equation is 1 plus GHS, you know it. So it is s square plus 2s plus 2. So this is second order characteristic equation, and we know that the second order characteristic equation can be written as s square plus 2 zeta omega n s plus omega n square. So if we compare this with the given characteristic equation, we can write as s square plus 2 into, let's keep some gap first, omega n. Omega n is root 2 square, right? So zeta, what will be zeta? Let's first write omega n and then s. So this omega n root 2 is coming extra. We have to compensate with the value of zeta, so it will be 1 by root 2. So ultimately we are getting the same, s square plus 2s plus 2. So if you compare these equations with this number 2 equation, you can see what is the value of zeta. Zeta is 1 by root 2. So as zeta is 1 by root 2 and it is less than 1, so the system is considered to be underdamped, right? Less than 1 means underdamped, greater than 1 means overdamped, and equal to 1 means critically damped. Question number 73. So this is actually a very interesting question. you can see. So at this point, let's say this is point x. Okay, so at point x we will have a plus b whole bar, right? And if we consider at point y, output of this AND gate, we will have multiply by a, right? So it will give actually 0. Similarly at z also it will be 0. Z is 0, y is also 0, right? So now this one is c, this one is coming, uh, so if we take it as u, so what will be u? U will be c bar, right? U will be c bar, v will be c only, right? V will be c only. And w, what will be w? W is c plus c bar এর whole bar, right? Your whole bar. So this is actually 0. W is 0, V is 0. So what will be the value of F? F is C bar plus 0, not C bar, C plus 0 whole bar. So it will be C bar ultimately. So it will be ultimately C bar. So what will be the option? So F is C bar means F A B C is actually C bar. So let's write it in SOP form. Okay, so C bar A plus A bar into P plus P bar. So you can write in this way. You will have how many? So you will have A B C bar plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar plus A bar P bar C bar. So it is actually sum of this is 110. So the last one is 000, 000. So this is 0, and the next one it is 100, and this one is 010, and this one is 110. So we have 0, 2, 4 and 6. These are the main terms, 4 main terms. So option C is correct. Question number 74. A two-port network is described by the relation V1 equal to 2I1 plus 3V2, I2 equal to minus I1 plus 2V2. Then Z parameter of such network is. So let's write down the two equations first. V1 equal to 2I1 plus 3V2, I2 equal to minus I1 plus 2V2 implies. So you can see that the equation 2 has only one voltage term. So we'll simplify this. We'll take the voltage term on the left side, that is 2V2 equal to I1 plus I2. So V2 equal to 0.5 I1 plus 0.5 I2. So this value of V2 I will put it in equation number 1. 1 means this one is, let's see, this is equation 1. So v1 equal to 2i1 plus 3 0.5 i1 plus 0.5 i2. Okay, so it is total 3.5 i1 plus 1.5 i2. So these two equations. So you should know that the general equation for finding z parameter is v1 equal to z11 i1 plus z12 i2, v2 equal to z21 i1 plus z22 i2. So if we compare these two equations with these two equations, so option D is correct. That is z11 is 3.5, z12 is 1.5, z21 is 0.5, z22 is 0.5. Question number 75. Find y in the circuit below where f1, f2 and f3 given as. So f1 is given. Let's write f1 cd equal to sum 0 1 2 3. So if you look at f2 and f3, you will see that those are of 4 variables. So we will write f1 in terms with 4 variables. So f1 cd with 2 variable, how many maximum mean terms we can have? We can have 4 mean terms, right? C D 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So decimal is 0 1 2 3. So all the mean terms are present in f1, right? Now if we write f1 a b c d, so how many mean terms? It will have all the mean terms, right? Because for a and b we can have any value, any combination of 0 and 1, right? So it will have all the mean terms. Now let's look at the circuit. Let's say this is point x, the output of x nor. So output of x nor, x is equal to f1 f2 plus f1 bar f2 bar. Now f1 is 1 into f2, so it will be f2. f1 bar is 0 and f2 bar. So ultimately we have x equal to f2. Now y is equal to f2 into f3, right? f2 into f3. Now see, f3 is given in terms of max term, right? Because sum means mean term and product sign means those are max term. So if we want to write f3 in mean terms, what will be the answer? Answer will be exclude this max term, means 0 1 2 3, because these are not there in the f3, right? So 0 1 2 3, these are mean term, and 4 7 8 10 which are given in the question, those are max term, and 5 6 9, so this is f3. So now a output is y equal to f2 into f3. So f2 into f3 means the common mean term will be the answer. See, f2 is also 0 1 2 3 5 6 9, see, and f3 is also 0 1 2 3 5 6 9. So you can see that option A and option D both are correct, right? See, f2 is given, and if you look at the output of f2, that is also given in option D. Thank you for watching this video.